Hello everyone and Merry Craftmas. Yes, it's that time of year again, whether you like it or not. But to celebrate Christmas, I thought I would do 25 Christmas related craft projects on my channel. So 25 days worth of different craft projects that you can either try yourself or just get you in the festive mood ready for Christmas. So before we get into today's episode, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an upload. I'll be bringing you one every single day for the run up to Christmas, from the 1st, which is today, till Christmas Day. Yes, there'll be one going out on Christmas Day as well. And you can try them yourself at home, or some of them you probably won't want to try. Will I run out of ideas? That's a possibility as well. But we'll see how we go, and hopefully it'll be fun. So let's jump into today's episode, and we'll be making some random object baubles. This one is actually a super easy one, and you get some really nice results, and it doesn't break the bank either, so it doesn't cost a fortune or anything like that. And all you're going to need is a plastic bauble, a plastic hollow bauble, and you can get these from your local craft store. You can get them online, they're not too expensive. You're going to need whatever objects you want to put inside the bauble. So for this one I'm just going to be using some feathers. You're going to need just a piece of string or ribbon or anything like that, just to kind of create a loop, and some super glue. Super easy. And all we're going to do is take these two parts and just fill them with some feathers. Obviously choose whichever colours you want. And for this you also don't want to use too many, you don't want to fill it too full, and you also want to keep the feathers quite mixed up so you get a nice kind of selection of colours. If you're using more than one colour, you can just use one if you wanted to. It's up to you. And then just try and squish them down. Okay, and when you're happy with that, you should have two halves that look something like this. And you're just going to take your super glue. If you live in the UK, you can get this super glue from Tool Station. It's a really good super glue. I use it all the time. And you're just going to want to add about 3 or 4 drops just to kind of each side. Don't put too much on, because it is quite good stuff, this. And then you just want to push these together. Yeah, make sure that top bit obviously matches up so you can get the ribbon or the string through. And you just want to leave that super glue to set, but you can trim kind of these little excess bits that have poked their way out. Just trim them off. And you'll have something that looks a bit like this. And then once it's dry, you just want to cut a small piece of ribbon or string, and just thread it through the top part. So, and you just want to tie it into obviously a little knot. Cut any excess off. I think it looks really good. Super simple, and it's not expensive to make or anything like that, and you can get some really sophisticated results. I actually are quite addicted to making these. So I've got one here with just some glitter, which looks pretty decent. I've got one with a pine cone inside. I've got one with some other feathers in, and another one with some other coloured feathers in. One with some baubles in, because why not? And one with a pine cone and some glitter in. So you can get some really nice results, and I think they look really cool. And obviously you can personalise them to whatever it is that you like and whatever it is that you want. Yeah, not too bad. I'm going to hang them on the tree behind us. But hopefully you've enjoyed that first day of Craftmas. I thought I would start off with something really simple and easy to do to get you into the mood. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!